How did you end up meeting Bageshwar Dham Baba?
He is the reason why I have embarked on this spiritual journey of mine. You got to have somebody who needs to guide you spiritually also.
You've met Adani, you've met Ambani, right?
He's one person who I would say has had such a strong impact in my life.
Join us and let your child soar in the limitless possibilities. We let the children be who they are and what they can be. Kathmandu World School, a world-class school for a world-class learning.
How did you end up meeting Bageshwar Dham Baba?
So Bageshwar Dham, Amro Guruji Sita Sai, I met him in June 2023. So one of my closest friends who went to school with me, he said that, bro, I have to make you meet. I have to make you meet someone. And I said, sure, so we ended up going there. And at, I think, 2 in the morning, I met him.
This is 2 in the morning?
Yeah, this is 2 in the morning. And, there was such an instant connection that he asked everybody in the room to leave. He said, I just need to spend time with Lauren. So I spent literally 30 minutes, just the two of us at 2 in the morning. And my life changed. He is the reason why I have embarked on this spiritual journey of mine. It's because of him that I sort of reconnected that spiritual side of us. And I believe spirituality is something that all of us need to really take a deep dive into. That changes everything. Spirituality changes everything,
It opens you up.
It completely opens you up from within. And once you're connected to your soul, then sky is just the beginning, it's not the limit. So that's what I feel. And then I got him to Nepal and, I said that, Guruji, there are so many people, there's so many followers of yours who are really looking forward to meeting you, but they don't get an opportunity to meet you.
Oh.
So he instantly said, if you've invited me and if you've called me, this is the first picture of us. I think it's 6th of June 2023.
Yeah, it is.
Right.
Oh.
So he instantly said that for you, I'll come.
Nepal aunchu
and he came and we put up a Hanumat Katha uta hamro Shashwat Dham mai. And since then, there's been no looking back.
How is he as a person?
He is unbelievable.
What I've seen is him being able to talk to people.
He talks
to immense amount of crowd.
Absolutely. उहाँले चाहिँ त्यो पर्ची भनेर he does that ni. So I mean, he did that to me.
हजुरको पर्चीले के भने त नि?
अब त्यो त हैन नभनौ हैन. But whatever he told me, I've been following him blindly, and we really connect at a supernatural level. So there is some supernatural force जस्तो लाग्छ कि supernatural power भन्छ नि.
संसारमा
केही न केही भने you got to have somebody who needs to guide you spiritually also. And I spent time with him. I learned so much about Hinduism, about our own religion, about
Sanatan overall.
Overall, it's beautiful, ke? And the way he explains it to me, you know, it's just beautiful.
Do others follow as well? Like, if I'm not mistaken, you've met Adani, you've met Ambani,
Yeah.
right? How are they like? Let's start off with Adani,
Right,
if that's okay with you.
Of course. I mean,
मैले कसलाई सोध्ने यो नेपालमा?
so Mr. Gautam Adani, he's fondly known as Gautam Bhai. He's one person who I would say has had such a strong impact in my life. I had a major crash in Maldives back in 22, March 26th. And it was, this is the first time I met him in 21. And unbelievable person. So down to earth, so simple, such a kind-hearted person. Such a kind-hearted person and very inspirational. Very, very, very inspirational. And we just, also connected at such a affectionate level. And he was the one who, sent his jet with the 2 doctors to immediately evacuate me from there. Otherwise, I had like 30 broken bones. And I was in deep pain. So if it wasn't for him, I don't think so I'd be alive. So since then, him, the whole family, we're quite close. And whenever, let's say, I need some guidance, some advice, he's the first person who has always been there. And no matter how busy he is, he just finds it time to, meet up or at least talk. So these are some qualities of, entrepreneurs that people like us who are such aspirants, we need someone like them to, look upon, to guide, to really make it big.
There's something that he said, आपकी अदालतमा हो, if I'm not mistaken, होइन त्यो मैले हेरेको थिएँ जहाँ चाहिँ एउटै मात्र कुरा छ सक्सेसको लागि त्यो भनेको मेहनत.
Absolutely. He tells me the same thing. He says that, you know how he started, right?
Very humble beginning.
Very, very humble beginning. He used to work in Bombay. I think Mahindra Brothers, the diamond traders, that's how he started. And see how, and even till date, he's so simple. So simple, man. So the bigger you grow, or simpler you become, Mansani. So he's a testimony to that.
Troubles will come and go?
Troubles will come and go, but he's always stood tall. You got to face your fears, no?
Yeah.
And you got to face your challenges. That's what life is all about.
Yeah, that's so true.
Yeah.
When you were in Dune, did you ever imagine that all these things are going to happen and you'll be taking care of a multi-billion-dollar business?
No, but you know what? Dune became that institution for me where I made all my close friends. My foundation became so strong with my friend circle there, and I think Dune School has the biggest fraternity probably in the world. That's what I think. So what is it that we need today? Like, what people say is it's not about what you have, it's about who you know.
It's about the network?
It's about the network. So this is after 25 years, right?
So,
This is about 25 years. So I remember 1998, Mansai, so that's my family, right? I'm sure my son, he dreads going to a boarding school, I know. So that's when I was telling him that, I'll put you in school. But I don't think so.
That's perfect. A big shout out to Anushi Bauzu as well. It's always great to meet her every time we hang out. तपाईले हाम्रो क्लिप एकदमै एन्जोय गर्नुभयो होला. अब पुरै भिडियो हेर्नको लागि चाहिँ युट्युबमा सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नबिर्सिनु होला. व्यास मिडिया नेटवर्क.